Most people think making money in your sleep is a fantasy. Something only the ultra-rich do with million-dollar portfolios and private advisors. But what if I told you there's a hidden side hustle, one that doesn't require products, inventory, or even a personal brand, and it can quietly generate income while you do absolutely nothing? Yes, while you sleep, while you travel, while you go about your day, and yet almost no one is talking about it. You see, the internet is flooded with side hustles. Drop shipping, affiliate marketing, day trading, content creation. But most of those come with steep learning curves, high competition, and burnout. What we're talking about today is different. It's not loud, it's not trendy. It's quietly powerful. And in 2025, it's becoming one of the most underrated income streams on the planet. The big reveal. This secret, it's called digital asset leasing. Stay with me. Imagine owning something online, but instead of selling it, you rent it. Like owning a billboard but online, and it earns money whenever someone uses it. Let's break it down. What is digital asset leasing? Think of things like a domain name, a pre-made website that ranks on Google, a high-traffic Pinterest board, a monetized Notion template, or even an AI-powered chatbot for a local business. You create or acquire a digital asset once, then lease it out to people or businesses that want exposure, leads, or automation. They pay you monthly, you do nothing after setup, and the money rolls in on autopilot. Real-world examples: let's say you build a basic website around best local pet groomers in your area. It ranks on Google. After a few months now, local businesses start calling. They want to be featured. You lease them space, like digital real estate. Or maybe you design an AI chatbot that auto-replies for a restaurant's social media. They don't have time to handle ITN. You license the bot and collect recurring income. No employees, no inventory, just passive income on your terms. Why it pays while you sleep? Here's the kicker: once these digital assets are set up and running, they work even while you don't. They rank, they get traffic, they generate clicks, leads, or results. And as long as they provide value, people will continue to pay for access. This is what the wealthy, they don't trade time for money, they build systems. And this system is now accessible to anyone with Wi-Fi and a few hours a week. Low startup, high ROI. You don't need a big budget. In fact, some people start with less than $100. Buy an undervalued domain, build a simple one-page site using templates, use free SEO tools to target local or niche topics. Automate interactions with no-code AI tools, and lease the results to people who don't know how or don't have time to build it themselves. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about stacking assets quietly. Each one may bring in $100, $300, $500 per month, and over time, those streams add up. So why isn't this on every financial YouTuber's radar? Because it's not flashy. It doesn't sell courses. It's not trending on TikTok. It's slow, strategic, intentional, and that's what makes it powerful. This isn't a hustle that burns out in 3 months. It's one that grows in the background while you sleep, eat, and live your life. It's not just passive. It's quietly unstoppable. What you can do next: pick a niche you understand or can research easily. Build one small digital asset, a site, a tool, a page, a guide. Offer it to someone who needs it, for a small monthly fee. Repeat. And the harvest doesn't depend on the economy, a boss, or the market. Final thought. We're living in a time where financial freedom isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. The internet is the greatest wealth tool in human history. But most people are only scratching the surface. This hidden side hustle is proof. You don't need to be loud, famous, or rich to earn while you sleep. You just need to know where to look and be willing to quietly build. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.